what happens if your key is not an integer, right? If your key is a word, then we still have to map it to an integer so that we can hash it, right? And one way is you think of the key here as being, it's a sequence of characters, right? And each character is stored as an ASCII thing, right? So it's a 256, right? And then you can form a polynomial with those coefficients, and you can plug in some z, and you can get out some integer, and there are various maths you can do to convert, right? Or I don't know why I'm even doing this whole, I must have gotten this from somewhere, because what I would do if I had cat, and cat was 382, C is 382, and cat is ACB. Why? Because it's base 16, right? And then T is something, and you just concatenate them together, and you call that an integer, right? I'm willing to do that, right? So there are ways of converting strings to integers. And maybe if you don't want to really hash the image, you can hash where is it stored in memory, right? Or, right, so now we have to, everybody get that? So now we have to deal with collisions, right? How to deal with, well, the obvious way to deal with collisions is called chaining, all right? So instead of storing the value right in that node, that becomes the head of a linked list, right? And if nobody has gone into that cell, then the linked list is empty, so the value is nil, right? And soon as you get 1, you get a pointer to it, right? And now the linked list gets bigger and bigger, right? And what do we know? We know that most cells are just going to have a small linked list, right? Constant size. A couple of them are going to have ones of length log n, but they don't come up very often, so it doesn't slow us down very much, right? Everybody good with that? So that certainly works. Simple, but it requires this extra memory.